Hello everyone, we'll be taking the viral tape and then make the cherry using it. So first close it and make it stems and leaves. Now take the red color and put it inside the viral tape like this with the help of an injector. Put it like this after folding it and then we'll be pasting it with the help like this. Press it. Now from the top, tie it with the thread like this and cut the extra part. Now put the green color stems over it and it's done. Next, we'll be making a very cute bunny using the viral tape. So, fold the viral tape like this and fix it. Now, put a straw inside it and then we'll be giving it a shape using the scissor. Now, blow it like this little bit and then fill the air inside it and then draw a bunny face. Now, make its ears, color it and it's ready. Next, take a viral tape, cut it like this and paste them like this from the sides and the downside. Fill some glitters inside it and put a straw. Now, blow it with the help of the straw like this and fill the air inside it. Now, cut it from the sides and it's ready. Next, take the viral tape. Now, paste it like this by folding it. And then we'll be putting it like this. Fix the color inside it. Using different colors, you can fill it. Now, put a straw again. And then we'll be filling the air inside it with the help of the straw like this. Now, after that, we'll be removing the straw and it's ready. Next, take the viral tape and then press it like this and stick them together. Give it a shape and fill some glitters inside it. Now, with the help of the injector, you can fill the water or gel inside it like this. Now, fill the water and then give it a shape properly. You can fill different glitters and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.